Okay guys, welcome to this new listing with, it's called Casita Madrugada, which is the dawn. And basically it's a really nice little property this. It is small, but it's compact, it's got everything you need. I'm going to explain from the outside. Okay, so you can see my vehicle is there. Okay, so that's where the parking is. It is on the road, okay, but we're talking Rio Bermusa. It's a very small Spanish hamlet. The road has just been resurfaced in the last 18 months, right to the Vinuela access road and down to Vélez Málaga. Very little traffic, and obviously you've got this nice gated entrance here, which is very secure, and some steps leading up onto this main pool and terrace. Okay, so you've got a big lemon tree here, beautiful, and you've got a really nice pool. It's a 6-meter pool by 3 meters. The house is 2 stories and it's 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, but really quirky. Okay, the plot is 150 square meters, whereby, like I say, you've got a 2-story property with living on this main level here, with covered terrace. Some really nice features throughout the property. One of them is the brickwork, both inside and out. So there you got the covered terrace. Again, you've got this nice brickwork around the windows, all with wreckers and fly screens. And I'm just going to show you briefly around the corner here, whereby you can see that's the boundary. Okay, so it's all fully fenced. There's about 1 meter from the house there, but essentially we're looking at a low maintenance property here. Okay, you've got some great views, mountain views, and it's very private. Okay, although you do have neighbors. You can see again here you've got a little sun trap with that nice pool. The pool's in great condition. It's got the internal lights. It's got 2 covers, a winter and a summer cover, and this has been a holiday home. Okay, so you can see why, because it's very low maintenance. You can literally pretty much lock up and leave. That's why they got the 2 different covers for the pool. Okay, and you're not that far from amenities, to be fair. I mean, it's just a short little drive, 5 to 6 minutes drive to Vinuela. Or down to Vélez Málaga, so you're not that far from the coast either. Okay, so we're going to head inside into, this is really nice. Okay, so let's start off with that nice door. Okay, it's got some lovely features in here. Okay, so you come into your lounge diner. Okay, so you've got dining area. There's a cupboard in that corner there for storage. All of your doors are the wooden shutter doors, single glaze, with the fly screens. Internet here, no problem. You've got a really nice feature wood burner there, and look at this. I love that. I think that's a really nice feature. Obviously, you've got the wooden beams with the Vega kind of cross beams, all solid wood, into a really nice kind of L-shaped living area. Kitchen has got integrated fridge freezer, Formica tops. You've got a 5-ring hob there with electric oven. Okay, and it's all actually in really good condition. Obviously got a Spanish feel to it, but it is an English owned property. You've got air conditioning, okay, which is hot and cold, and a great option. Okay, so then we're just going to finish here. Just want to show you this feature. It is really nice, that. Okay, very individual. I've not seen a property like this. Like I say, it's kind of compact, but it does work very well. But it's detached. It's got a pool. It's private. It's got great access. Okay, so into the 2nd bedroom this is. Okay, so you've got, again, air conditioning just there, and you've got storage either side of the bed. Good size room, big enough for a double, obviously. the tiles throughout actually are really nice as well. They've not kind of dated, and things like you've got obviously the wrought iron there with a patterned kind of finish. And then you come up into the master bedroom, which doesn't have one terrace, you've got 2 terraces. Okay, so again, you've got plenty of storage room around the bed itself. This is the larger terrace, overlooking neighbours there. So say we're in Rio Pamusa, which is very Spanish, very nice. And again, those lovely framed windows. You're going to get the beeping there, probably either bread, vegetables, fish. You're going to get the deliveries just to beep the horn, so it saves you going out. Okay, and then this is the second smaller kind of balcony terrace, but it's still big enough to sit out on. And really nice location, so overlooking your pool and the plot. That could be enhanced a little bit, but very, very nice. Okay guys, so if you want further details on Casa Madrugada, then contact us directly on 0034 696 522 171, or indeed view our website at villasolutions.net. Thank you.